收到啦。
講翻個字，有個衞生。
咩啊？講多次。
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
嗯，清楚。OK， 各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊。
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情況有變。
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦。
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦，路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點。
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊 ！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
喺後邊人，過嚟啊
Let's go! Let's go!
Come on! No, what's the next? You see anyone? I think they're up the roof! Crazy fuck! Oh, shit! Run! Stay with me! Come on, hurry up! They're over! Come on, come on!
香港警察即刻投降。
Yes, I hate this! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going! They're not getting me!
冇喐！
What's with these guys? 打我佢特爆到我位咁。
包圍。
Son of a bitch!
Get out！ 唔喐！捉住佢！唔好俾佢走啦！
捉佢！捉佢！走唔到㗎啦！正喎！拉你！拉你！
警察，咪喐！我哋而家要拘捕你。
Come on, we can work something out, right?
唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講。但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，即係成為呈堂證供。你明白？
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
You might ask.
Wei Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. The dog eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
So why all the paranoia?
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
你條契弟，我今就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
淆底就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops!
哼！你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to me like that.
Stop it!
Get off him! I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
仲有得靠樣揾食啊！
我覺得你搞錯咗單手搞掂你啊！我可以打贏㗎！睇下你有冇命行出去！ 我係你，即刻走啊！